Is there any Windows-based media player software that allows you to pause a video, and then you unpause a few seconds earlier? I often use my laptop in the kitchen for following along with pre-recorded real-time cooking recipes. Sometimes the chef in the video gets too far ahead of me, and I need to pause the video for a while, sometimes for minutes, to allow myself to catch up. But at the moment I pause the video, the next step in the recipe is usually already underway. So when I'm ready for the next step, I need to then rewind, maybe 30 seconds, before restarting the video again. I often end up doing this little pause rewind unpause routine many times during a recipe, and it gets rather frustrating and the keyboard gets messy and wet because of the cooking stuff on my hands. Does anyone know of any media playing software, for Windows, that will allow an automatic restart some number of seconds before the pause point whenever a recording is unpaused? Thanks. Edit. I thought I should make clear that it is important that the rewinding happens automatically, as the video is unpaused rather than me needing to make any further keystrokes. This is because, while cooking, my hands get pretty messy and I want to minimize contact with the keyboard. The best solution I envisage would be to be able to tap the spacebar, perhaps with my wrist, to pause the video, and then press the spacebar again to unpause it about 30 seconds earlier.
I think VLC will let you do it easily.
You can do it with VLC. Combinations of Control, Shift, Alt and left arrow will jump backwards, replace with right arrow to jump forwards. If you look in the VLC Preferences window, under Hotkeys, you can see which key combination does which jump. DOM Pot Player, or the COM Player. Both can do this. Just hit the left arrow key to jump back. 5 seconds is default, but you can change this. This URL. You can search around for the Pot Player.
If you are an advanced user or know someone and your computer has a microphone, then you might be able to use Windows Speech Recognition macros. The Windows Speech Recognition Macros Tool, or WSR macros for short, extends the usefulness of the speech recognition capabilities in Windows Vista. Users can create powerful macros that are triggered by spoken commands, which can perform a series of tasks from as simple as inserting your mailing address to as complex as providing a completely different speech interaction with applications. Please note that most Bluetooth microphones do not function well with Windows Speech Recognition due to limited audio bandwidth. So in theory, by using nothing else than one's voice, one should be able to program a speech-activated macro that will send keyboard commands to the player to pause, rewind and unpause. Most players support the keyboard interface. The download is available from here, some archived macros are available here, and a forum here. From the large availability of related material on the internet, I would say that the technology does work. However, I have never tried it, so cannot testify for its efficiency.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.